From Bangin in Little Rock to Weldin in Little Rock. 1994, gang wars were released in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I was 14 years old, family. 14. And yes, I was caught up in the mix. I was actually living in the South, and I come up to Little Rock to get my hands dirty. I knew a lot of people from different sides, from 23rd to 21st, to Oak Street, to North Little Rock, to East End, to Southwest. Like, I knew different people in different areas. And one thing that I learned, family, growing up then, that any one of us that's alive right now, we're blessed, fam. And when I went to prison, family, you know what was so crazy? When I went to prison for 10 years, I was locked up with a lot of the guys that was into the crimes and into the lifestyle in Little Rock. And you know what, family? We all were different colors, but we all sat at the same tables. That's right. OGs sat at the same tables, family. We talked together, we ate together, and we realized something. We was on some BS, fam. In order for us to change things for ourselves, we had to do better. And that's what we did. 28 years later, I went from Bangin to Weldin in Little Rock. Hold on.